Preamble, we, the sovereign Filipino people, imploring the aid of Almighty God in order to build a just and humane society, and establish a government that shall embody our ideals and aspiration, promote the common good, conserve and develop our patrimony, and secure to ourselves and our posterity the blessings of independence and democracy under the rule of law in a regime of truth, justice, freedom, love, equality, and peace to ordain and promulgate this Constitution. Article 3 Bill of Rights, Section 1. No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall any persons denied the equal protection of the laws. Section 2. The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizure of whatever nature and for any purposes shall be inviolable, and no search warrant or warrant of arrest shall issue except upon probable cause to be determined personally by the judge after examination under oath or affirmation of the complainant and the witnesses he may produce, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. Section 3. The privacy of communication and correspondence shall be inviolable except upon lawful order of the court or when public safety or order requires otherwise as prescribed by law. Any evidence obtained in violation of this or any preceding section shall be inadmissible for any purpose in any proceeding. Section number 4. No law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, of expression, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and petition the government for redress of grievances. Section number 5. No law shall be made respecting establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof. The free exercise and enjoyment of religious profession and worship without discrimination or preference shall forever be allowed. No religious test shall be required for the exercise of civil and political rights. Section number 6. The liberty of abode and of changing the same within the limits prescribed by law shall not be impaired except upon lawful order of the court, neither shall the right to travel be impaired except in the interest of national security, public safety, or public health as may be provided by law. Section 7. The right of the people to information on matters of public concern shall be recognized. Access to official records and documents and papers pertaining to official acts, transactions, decisions, as well as government research data used as basis for policy development shall be afforded the citizen, subject to such limitation as may provided by law. Section 8. The right of the people, including those employed in the public and private sectors, to form unions, associations, or societies for purposes that contrary to law shall not be abridged. Section 9. Private property shall not be taken for public use without just compensation. Section number 10. No law impairing the obligation of contract shall be passed. Section 11. Free access to the courts and quasi-judicial bodies and adequate legal assistance shall not be denied to any person by reason of poverty.